Cryptocurrency trading has exploded in popularity over the last decade. From Bitcoin's early days to thousands of coins today, traders now have dozens of platforms to choose from. But what exactly are crypto trading platforms? How do they work? And which ones are right for you? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, their features, and the pros and cons of some of the most popular platforms. A cryptocurrency trading platform, often called an exchange, is a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets. Just like a stock exchange, these platforms match buyers and sellers. But instead of company shares, the assets are cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or thousands of altcoins. There are two main types: centralized exchanges or CEX like Coinbase or Binance, where the company controls the platform and your funds. And decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like Uniswap, which run on blockchain technology and allow peer-to-peer trading without intermediaries. When choosing a platform, there are several features that matter: security, fees, ease of use, liquidity, and coin selection. Let's take a closer look at some of the most well-known platforms. Coinbase, beginner-friendly, secure, but higher fees. Binance, the world's largest exchange, low fees, advanced tools, but overwhelming for beginners. Kraken, trusted, secure, offers margin and futures trading. eToro and Robinhood, easy to use, combine crypto with stocks, but limited withdrawals. Uniswap, DEX, fully decentralized, wallet-to-wallet trading, more privacy, but can be complex with lower liquidity. No matter which platform you use, trading crypto comes with risks. Prices can be extremely volatile, exchanges can suffer outages during peak demand, and unregulated platforms may expose you to scams. Best practices include never investing more than you can afford to lose, enabling two-factor authentication, and storing long-term holdings in a personal wallet instead of leaving everything on the exchange. To sum it up, cryptocurrency trading platforms are the gateway to the digital asset market. Whether you're a beginner looking for simplicity or an experienced trader who needs advanced tools, there's a platform out there for you. Always do your research, compare fees and security, and choose the one that aligns with your goals. Thanks for watching. This is Crypto VIP Lobby, bringing you clear insights into the world of digital assets. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow traders, and subscribe for more crypto knowledge.